Wehave Honeywell RTh6500 and set it up. Blowing hot air, not cold.
Did you double-check the thermostat settings? And what about the filters?
Filters are clean. Setup programming.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
I did. I installed new thermostat.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Guess not.jut can't seem to figure out why it's doing that.
Most likely just a wire wrong, or we need to change a setting for reversing valve. Tell me what wire went where on old and where you put it on new. X red to R, green to G, etc. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated.
Blue to C, orange to O, white WE, red RH and RC, joint, green to G, yellow to Y, that is old. New one is green G, orange to OB, blue to C, yellow to Y, red to R, white W2.
And new? Wiring sounds good. Next we need to select 5 for function 1 and 0 for function 2 in the setup menu. Have you done this? If not, do you know how to get to setup menu?
Don't know how to get to setup menu.
See page 18 in manual below. Let me know if you have problems or need help after reading. https:/customer.honeywell.com/resources/techlit/techlit document/33000/3300130f.pdf.
Okay, daughter looking at now. Okay, single mom and daughter figuring it out now. Get back to you in a second. Did it? It flashing recovery in left hand corner. Is that normal?
Looking to see what I can find. Never seen the recovery on the 6500. Try turning power off and back onto indoor unit.
Recovery went off when reset time.
Excellent. Now try everything and make sure it works properly. Keep in mind we get a 5-minute delay between modes for compressor protection. Okay, I did find that recovery message. Nothing to be concerned with.
Okay, so we will wait 5 minutes. It has not clicked on yet. Temp in-house 80, thermostat set for 76, each awaiting.
Is the cool flashing? Great, that means we are in delay. Within 5 minutes it should stay solid and start cooling.
Fingers crossed.
It should be right now. If not, we will go from here.
Okay, it's solid. Yay. Cold air. Florida family thanks you.
Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.